Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. Gene therapy is a medical approach that involves altering or manipulating a person's genes to treat or prevent genetic diseases and other health conditions. It aims to correct or replace faulty genes with healthy ones or to introduce new genes to provide a therapeutic benefit. Gene therapy has the potential to treat a wide range of genetic disorders, including those that have no other effective treatments. Here are some key points about gene therapy. Types of gene therapy. Somatic gene therapy. This type of gene therapy involves modifying the genes in specific cells or tissues of the body, but the changes are not passed on to the next generation. It is the most common form of gene therapy. Germline gene therapy. Germline gene therapy aims to modify the genes in the reproductive cells, sperm and egg, to prevent the transmission of genetic disorders to future generations. It is a more complex and ethically controversial approach. Techniques. Gene addition. In this approach, a functional copy of the gene is introduced into the patient's cells to compensate for the defective or missing gene. Gene editing. Technologies like CRISPR-Cas9 are used to directly edit the DNA in the patient's cells, either by correcting a mutation or by disrupting a problematic gene. Gene silencing. This involves reducing or turning off the expression of a specific gene, often used in the treatment of diseases caused by overactive genes. Applications. Inherited genetic disorders. Gene therapy can be used to treat inherited conditions like cystic fibrosis, muscular dystrophy, and sickle cell anemia. Acquired diseases. It can also be applied to acquired diseases, such as certain types of cancer, by modifying the patient's immune cells to better target cancer cells. Rare diseases. Many rare genetic diseases that have no cure can potentially be treated with gene therapy. Challenges. Safety. Ensuring that gene therapy is safe and does not cause unintended side effects is a major challenge. Ethical concerns. There are ethical concerns related to germline gene therapy, as it involves altering the genetic makeup of future generations. Long-term effects. The long-term effects of gene therapy are still being studied, and some risks may not become apparent until years after treatment. Gene therapy has made significant progress in recent years, and several gene therapies have been approved for clinical use in various countries. However, it remains a developing field with ongoing research and regulatory considerations. The successful implementation of gene therapy has the potential to revolutionize the treatment of genetic and other diseases, offering new hope to many patients. Gene therapy is a medical technique that involves inserting a normal gene into a cell to correct a defective gene that is causing a disease. Gene therapy is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to cure or treat a wide range of diseases, including cancer, genetic disorders, and infectious diseases. There are two main types of gene therapy: somatic cell gene therapy and germline gene therapy. Somatic cell gene therapy targets cells that are not involved in reproduction, such as muscle cells or blood cells. Germline gene therapy targets cells that are involved in reproduction, such as sperm or egg cells. Somatic cell gene therapy is the more common type of gene therapy. It has been used to treat a number of diseases, including Leber congenital amaurosis, LCA, a rare eye disease that causes blindness, spinal muscular atrophy, SMA, a genetic disorder that causes muscle weakness and paralysis, severe combined immunodeficiency, SCID, a rare genetic disorder that affects the immune system, cancer. Gene therapy is being used to develop new treatments for a variety of cancers, including leukemia, lymphoma, and melanoma. Germline gene therapy is more controversial because it has the potential to alter the genetic makeup of future generations. However, it is being studied as a potential treatment for some genetic disorders, such as cystic fibrosis and sickle cell disease. Gene therapy is typically delivered to cells using a vector, which is a vehicle that carries the therapeutic gene into the cell. Vectors can be viruses, bacteria, or even liposomes, fatty bubbles. Once the vector has delivered the gene to the cell, the gene is incorporated into the cell's DNA and begins to produce the desired protein. Gene therapy is a promising new approach to treating disease, but it is important to note that it is still in its early stages of development. There are a number of potential risks associated with gene therapy, including, the vector may not deliver the gene to the correct cells. The gene may not be incorporated into the cell's DNA properly. The gene may produce the wrong protein or too much protein. The gene may cause an immune response. Researchers are working to address these risks and develop safer and more effective gene therapies. Here are some of the latest developments in gene therapy. In 2023, the FDA approved the first gene therapy for sickle cell disease. This therapy uses a lentiviral vector to deliver a gene that produces healthy hemoglobin to the patient's blood stem cells. Researchers are developing gene therapies for a variety of other diseases, including cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and Huntington's disease. Scientists are also developing new gene editing technologies, such as CRISPR-Cas9, that could be used to make gene therapy more precise and efficient. Gene therapy is a rapidly developing field with the potential to revolutionize the way we treat disease. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.